everyone, this is Saugandhika. Today I am going to discuss on the topic how to increase the quality of your life. All the thoughts were not things. All the things you have were initially thoughts. Listen carefully. All the thoughts are not things, but all the things you have were primarily thoughts. If I want to improve the quality of my harvest, I need to improve the quality of the seeds. If I don't improve the quality of the seeds, then I cannot improve the quality of the harvest, right? Similarly, if I can't improve the quality of the thoughts, I cannot improve the quality of the things that I get in my life. Somehow, like 99% of our thoughts, the way we think, are influenced by the surroundings and the environment. So many researches has been carried out, and that has been proved that we are influenced by the environment and the surroundings. We are influenced by the 5 most dominant relationships we have in our life. On our daily basis, with whom we interact, like the topmost 5 people we interact will be affecting the way we think and the thoughts we get, whether it's about the scarcity thinking or about the abundant thinking, whether it's about, like, if you may think, let's be practical, all the people will not get the big things in life, or you can think like, yes, I can do anything, and I am going to work hard, and I am going to get and achieve whatever I want in life. If the 5 dominant relationships, the 5 dominant people in you have in your life are settled for mediocre, then you are also going to settle for mediocre. So think of that, the people which you want. If you want to be positive in life, surround yourself with the positive minded people. If you wanted to have the great mind, then you surround yourself with the great mindset people. If you want to become rich in life, then surround yourself with the people who are rich or having the mindset of becoming the rich. If you want to become legendary in life, you surround yourself with the people who have that great mindset and are doing that legendary things. Let me give you an example. Suppose, like, suddenly you started thinking about numerology. You didn't even think about it these many years, but suddenly it started coming into your mind. How that happened? Like, you are a person, for suppose, let us think like you are a person doing a business, and it has been 2 years, you are getting lost, that is not going well for you. And when your friend suggested, like, numerology, maybe because of that, it may work, you change your name, some letters, it's free only now, take like that. If like your friend suggests, for example, your name is Satish, Sathish, initially yours is like that, change it like Satheesh, like that. You started thinking and you started making decision, your thoughts started turning towards that and make decision based on his thoughts. Like this, the people surrounding yourself will affect your thoughts. If you think yes, I need to change my strategy, I need to think of the better ways how to market my product, or I need to introduce new product, or I need to think of some innovative products, or make some improvements for the regarding the original, like, remaining products. Like that, if you think of some strategies or some ways to improve your business, that is completely logical and that sounds good. But if you're thinking like, yeah, maybe because of numerology it happened, that does not make any sense, right? For suppose, let me tell you one more example. There is a girl named Lata. Her father worked so hard. He gets daily wages, and he used to get like around 5,000 per month or something like that. And he paid some and got courses for her. She studied so hard for 6 months, and she got a job. And after 5 years, she's getting a package of 1 lakh. That really sounds logical, that is good. But if someone says like, you know what, Lata went to that temple and Swamiji gave her that red thread to tie on her right hand. As soon as she has done with that, she started getting opportunities, and she is getting more and more money right now. How does it sounds? It's like, it doesn't sound good, right? Like that, if someone says something about, like, if someone suggests you something, that will be coming into your thoughts, and that dominates your thoughts, and you will be thinking, you take decision and you will think that that is your decision, but you are influenced by your surroundings and the people around you, knowingly or unknowingly. Let me quote you one more example from Indian mythology. There was a lady named Kaikeyi. She loved Rama so much that, like, more than her own biological son Bharat. But what happened, one day a maid came to her, and she was telling few things, and she started listening what she was telling. But within a few minutes, completely all her love for Rama has gone, because she took all the words, all the thoughts that maid were telling her. As she took, and that ego came and all that rivalry came, and she started thinking that Rama is like, is an obstacle for Bharata for becoming like the king of the kingdom. All this ego came into her mind, and it spoiled her completely. So understand that within a matter of minutes, our thoughts and decisions changes, and the other people decisions become our decisions, knowingly or unknowingly. So understand that surround yourself with right minded people. And if you want to improve your quality of life, you have to improve your quality of thoughts. When you improve your quality of the thoughts, then automatically you will get those kind of great things in life, and your life will be awesome. Hope you understood what I said, and thank you so much for watching.